birthday, damsel Rowan. It's your birthday and you're number one. Happy birthday, Rowan! So today is Rowan's birthday. If you guys don't know who Rowan is, she is my friend. She is over at the Disney Damsels. That's her YouTube channel. I would be shocked if you guys know me but don't know her. So Rowan has been my friend for, I think, just around, I would say we've been really close friends for a little over a year. We met through YouTube. I reached out to her about a collab and we just kind of hit it off and got closer and closer as time went on, and now we're like best friends. So it's kind of crazy how that can work in this community. You just kind of get to know somebody, you have so much in common with them, and it's kind of like distance doesn't matter when you care about somebody that much. So anyway, for today's video, me and Erica over at DreamItDeocampo, we decided for Rowan we were going to film, no, let me rephrase this. So because we do not live in New York and we cannot throw Rowan a lavish birthday party, so Erica and I got together and we decided with our company, DreamItDeocampo Party Planning Organization Corporation, we would put together Rowan's dream birthday. Because if anybody knows Rowan, it's us and her family, but whatever. We're the ones with YouTube channels, so. So for Rowan's birthday, we have divided up the duties of planning, and Erica has taken half of the responsibilities, as have I. So, just to be clear, this is not a real party. But if it could exist, we are going to make this the birthday to end all birthdays, because Rowan is turning 29. Today, Rowan is turning 29, which means she only has 1 year left as a 20-something-year-old. Next year, she's 30. She's gonna join the rest of us in that. I mean, I'm not 30 yet. I still have like a month. But we just wanted to make this a really big hoopla of a birthday party. I'm going on and on. I think you guys get the concept. I'm gonna shut up about the intro. Now I'm going to jump into the actual questions. So the theming of this party, me and Erica came up together. We are both going to kind of touch upon it because it is important for each layer of this party, okay? So for the theme of this party, we decided to do the men that Rowan loves. You heard me right. These are all fictional characters who Rowan truly has a fascination with. So the 4 characters that Rowan truly loves are Tarzan, Hercules, Beast, and Kylo Ren. Ben Solo, she loves them both sides of him, okay? So the party's theming will focus on these, including the decor, the food, the overall ambiance, the entertainment. All of it will have to do with Rowan's men, because if there's one party Rowan would never miss, it would be a party filled with these things. So my first responsibility was picking Rowan's ensemble. Now, Erica decided on her makeup look, and so we obviously wanted these two things to go together. So I'm not going to ruin what Erica picked, but I had to pick an outfit that easily coordinated to this makeup look. So I chose this dress that I'm going to put an image of here from Shein, which is one of Rowan's favorite online stores to shop on, at, whatever preposition works there. This is one of Rowan's favorite shops, and I thought that this was the epitome of a birthday dress. It's sparkly, it's shiny, it's feminine, it's all things Rowan. Now, the one thing that this is missing is really honestly the color. So Rowan is all about the sparkle, but she's also all about the color pink. So with this dress, I will be pairing these gorgeous hot pink heels. I do think for her big birthday hoopla bash though, she should obviously be formal. So we're going with the hot pink heels. Sparkly, shiny, shimmery, birthday girl gloriousness dress. And that's how she'll be dressed for the evening. Now, I will say, Rowan would probably have a costume change about halfway through this party. That being said, as much as Rowan is into tutus and things like that, I do think for her birthday she'd want to go a little bit dressier. So if there was a costume change, this is the outfit that I picked for that. Can we tell what character I'm emulating? So obviously Rowan's favorite princess, I say obviously, it's probably not obvious, but Rowan's favorite princess is Belle, and I really thought it would be fun to do an outfit change about halfway through into a Belle-inspired dress. So that was where the second outfit is coming in, and then as far as shoes go, I just picked these really pretty gold heels to go with it. So moving on to the next thing. So for the cake, I did plan on showing like images of what I was thinking, but I couldn't find it. So I'm just going to describe it in detail. First of all, this cake would be 3-tiered. It would be keto friendly, yet it would taste like it's not. How? I don't know, because this is a hypothetical party, so I'm going to go with that. It would be a keto friendly 3-tier cake, okay? On these tiers of the cake, no, sorry, 4-tier, my bad, 4-tier cake, because each layer of the cake would be flavored and themed to her Disney men. So for the example, the bottom layer would be Tarzan, because I do think of her 4 true loves. Tarzan is the bottom. Sorry, Tarzan. Hopefully you're not watching this. We'd have Tarzan on the bottom, probably like a jungle theme going on. And I'm thinking it would need to be chocolate because like dirt, chocolate, makes sense. And then we would have Tarzan in his half-naked gloriness. Yeah, we're gonna go with that. Lounging about on that bottom layer. No jigging. This is all about the men, okay? And then the next layer up would be Hercules, where we would probably do, I'm thinking like a caramel kind of flavor, because when I think of his outfit, it's kind of like a caramel color. So I'm thinking a caramel flavoring on that second layer with Hercules, you know, flexing the guns for Rowan for her special day. And then the next layer, this was hard for me, guys, because there's 2 men left. Which one does Rowan love more? I'm gonna go with her current love, okay? So we're gonna say Beast is number 3. Sorry, Beast. I think you got knocked down this year. To be fair though, she's still in mourning over number 1. So number 2 would be Beast. And for this one, I felt we needed kind of like a fruity element added. So I'm gonna go with a lemon flavor. I know, lemon, caramel, chocolate, maybe not. But again, this is a hypothetical, keto-friendly, tastes good cake. So we're gonna go with the fact that this is not possible. Anyway, the reason I'm going with lemon is because the colors of Beauty and the Beast are yellow and blue, and I did not, I'll be honest with you, I don't like blueberry, and I also just don't think blueberry cake goes with caramel and chocolate, so I'm going with lemon. And then the last, oh, I didn't describe it, sorry. It would obviously be the ballroom scene. It would have like golden filigree elements, and then Beast in his formal wear, specifically in the position that he is in her favorite gym shore. If I can, I will insert a picture. He will be standing, just, you know, looking lovingly, and also specifically Beast must be in his beast form, not in his human form, okay? Because Rowan has specific taste. The final tier of our cake brings us to Rowan's current truest love, which is Kylo Ren, Ben Solo. And for this top layer, I decided to do something really interesting and capture Kylo's inner struggle. So this flavoring will actually be a marbled cake, okay? And the 2 flavors within the marbling will be red velvet, the dark side, and vanilla, the light side. But they are interwoven, similar to Kylo's soul, if you will. I hope my metaphors are making sense. And Kylo will be perched on the very top of the cake. But I think I do want him to be dressed as Ben Solo. Yes, Ben Solo will be perched on the top of the cake. And he will be holding a sign that says, "I still live in your heart, Rowan. Forever." It's a little scary how well I know her. You're welcome, Rowan. Okay, moving on to my next responsibility. We've covered outfit, we've covered cake. My next responsibility is a surprise element. So I have 2. The first is that as party favors, everyone attending this party will receive a gym shore, which, by the way, if you're wondering how you can attend this party, this fictional party that is not happening, head over to Erica's channel because she explains that part. But every person who does attend this party will receive a gym shore as their party favor. But that's not all. Jim Shore himself will be there. signing those figures for you guys. He actually will also have made Rawan her own custom Tarzan limited edition of 1 Jim Shore. And it will be of the scene that Rawan is dying to have, which is the one where they are climbing up the vine together, and Tarzan's like looking down at Jane, and she's looking up at him, and then she like blushes and she looks away. I mean, obviously she can't move because it's a Jim Shore, but I'm going to insert a picture of that scene right here so that you guys can see what I'm talking about. And this is what would be turned into a personal, only Rawan would own Jim Shore, with his signature on the bottom and a wish of happy birthday, because we know her that well. Everyone else's Jim Shore's, sorry guys, you're only going to be able to get a signature from him, but it will be free of charge. Now for her second surprise element, this one, stay with me, it's going to be a little bit of story time, guys. So after Rawan has made her costume change into her second outfit, which is that Belle-inspired dress that I showed you guys earlier, she will walk to a grand staircase. Now this staircase leads down into a ballroom where all guests will be assembled, okay? All of these guests will then create a ginormous circle around the perimeter of the ballroom, and in the center, Rawan will see that we have a very special guest for her. This special guest will be dressed in a Beast-inspired ensemble. Not as Beast, in him. This one time, Rawan will prefer him in his human form, I assure you. And then our mystery guest will turn around and begin singing Rawan happy birthday as she descends down the staircase. Who is our special guest, you ask? If you know Rawan, you probably know. It's Adam Driver, because he would of course do this for his #1 fan. For free. So yes, Adam Driver will reveal himself as her Prince of the Night, and will sing a very special happy birthday song to Rawan, and then they will share a slow dance to Tale as Old as Time. I know. Me and Erica should do this for a living. We're really good at it. Fictional parties, I mean. If only that was a job. Well, that does it for my responsibilities of this party. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you found it entertaining, funny, fun. Please head over to Rawan's channel and just leave her a happy birthday message. I'm not sure if she uploaded something today or not. I'm guessing she probably did. So make sure that you say happy birthday to her. Also, head over to Erica's channel and check out the other half of this video, because you're going to want to know all of the other elements of this party, obviously. Rawan, happy birthday, my sweet friend. I am so happy that I get to call you my friend, and such a close one at that. You are wonderful. You make me smile. You make me laugh. You have a very giving spirit, and I just feel lucky to call you a friend. Thank you so much for being open with me, sharing with me, listening to me when I need somebody to talk to, and honestly, sharing in all that Disney magic, because it is something that ties us together. And I know that to some people that might sound silly, but to people who are as obsessed with Disney as we are, sometimes it gets a little old. But it doesn't with you and me, and that's really awesome. I love that you, me, and Erica are so close, and that we can call each other such close friends, and I'm glad that we could do something special for you on your birthday. I am sorry that this party is not real, because if we could make it real, you know we would. If anything, just for the Jim Shore, right? I hope you guys liked this. Wish Rawan a happy birthday, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.